Alright guys, this is it. This is what I'm going with today. Power Prawn by Salt Strong. Got this on one of their own Weedless football jig heads. This is a 1/2 ounce. So I'm fishing a little bit deep water. So I'm gonna just let it go down, pop it up, pop it up, pop it up. See if I can get a big snook to come. There's other things down there that I'd love to catch. Maybe there's some grouper, some snapper, some different things, but let's see what we can catch on that guy. Just trying to work the bottom a little bit. Oh, there's a tag. Probably a little snapper. I was out here the other day and I just got into so many snapper. Got something. I got something. Catfish, kitty fish. That's heavy. It feels heavy. Oh. Yep, that's a giant catfish. Good, thank God it came off. Oh, someone just tagged me right there. Oh, big catfish again. Gotta be. And I foul hooked him. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Good Lord. Alright, I gotta get this lure out working. He's slimed up my stuff. Whoa. Got me in the mouth. Look at that slime on that guy. What did I get on the bottom there? Alright, no worries. While I re-rig, well, I'm gonna re-rig. I'm not gonna make you watch. Oh, did I get, do I have, oh yeah, I got him. It's catfish. Yeah. Don't throw off my lure. Alright. First kind of nice fish, but nice species. Not the best fish, but nice species. Oh, right there. Oh, jeez. That was surprising, but excellent. Come here, big guy. Oh, popped out. There he is. A little bit of lighting. There we go. Nice snook. Wait, let me get a good release on him. Thank you, bud. Thank you. There's one. Oh. Oh. Cut me on the barnacles. Dang it. Yeah, just ran me right up the side of that barnacle. Jeez, look at the size of the... All right, everyone, I think that was a Goliath grouper. What do you guys think? What disturbed the water so much? Drag was way too loose. All right, everyone, so I just had my power prawn just munched to death by something, probably some puffer fish or some snapper down there just going nuts on it. But that is my cue to end this video because I have to race home and cook dinner for the missus. It's my turn tonight, so that's what I'm gonna go do. But I'll be back out on the water soon shooting more videos, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to see those when they come out. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoy your next time out on the water. I'll see you later.